Sephora, it's Kourtney Nicole, New York pro artist from Rare Beauty, here to show you the new Fall 23 collection. We're gonna be creating this look inspired by Selena Gomez. Let's go. All right, let's get started with a soft, blurred complexion. I'm starting off with my pore diffusing primer, just one pump. Now I'm going in with our founder's favorite, the Rare Beauty Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. I'm using shade 44. I'm applying this with our Liquid Touch foundation brush. I love the fact that it has this angle on the tip so that we can get in every single crevice of the face. And I also love the fact that the bristles are so soft. Now I'm going in with the Liquid Touch Concealer. I like to apply it underneath my eyes for more coverage, around my mouth, and nose, just a little bit in the center. Using my Liquid Touch Concealer brush, so soft. I like to blend the concealer around my eyes last because I want to give that a second to dry for more coverage. Now I'm going in with my Always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist for that beautiful glow and a little bit of hydration, and my Soft Radiance setting powder. I love this powder because it takes away shine without taking away your glow. The Warm Wishes bronzer stick in Full of Life, and of course the Soft Pinch blush in Grace. All right, guys, and now the star of the show. I'm super excited to introduce you to Rare Beauty's fall collection. Perfect Strokes Long Wear Gel Eyeliner, Brow Harmony Precision Eyebrow Pencil, and all of the above weightless eyeshadow sticks. Let's create a look inspired by Selena. So I'm starting off with our Longwear Gel Eyeliner. Comes in 3 shades, but today I'm choosing True Black to start off by smudging in my lash line and waterline. It's waterproof and it stays all day. Apply generously in the waterline. Okay, and now I like to squeeze my eyes together to transfer that color into the top waterline and go ahead and reinforce it. This glides on super smooth without any pulling or tugging. Now I'm going in with the All of the Above weightless eyeshadow stick in Adventure. It actually has a built-in sharpener. Same thing for the gel eyeliner, built-in sharpeners, just to make sure that you have a beautiful tip before you get started. This eyeshadow stick comes in 6 shades. This is a beautiful base shade for me. Now I'm going in with Integrity to create some more depth and interest in my inner corners. I love how this pencil is a do-it-all. You can use it to highlight, you can use it to line, you can use it to shade, whatever your heart desires. Just a little bit above the brow. Now I'm going in with Compassion underneath my eyes to create even more smoke. Using the Rare Beauty eyeshadow brush to blend the colors together even more and soften up the edges. Now I'm going to use Compassion in the Longwear Gel Eyeliner. Notice that I'm leaving the inner corners blank. You'll see why in a second. And now to an old favorite, the Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner. I love to use a liquid liner for precision and definition, and I'm just lining the inner third to make my eye look a little bit more sultry. And now the best way, in my opinion, to finish up any eye look is with the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Universal Mascara. I'm really excited to show you the new Brow Harmony Precision Pencil. We gave you a thin, precise pencil to create those hair-like strokes. It also has a spoolie on the back for easy blending. All right, guys, that's the finished look. You can shop our new fall collection only at Sephora. See you soon. Bye.